that are on your dish detergent bottles. And the FDA and the government doesn't require companies to put every single chemical listed on it. They could just say natural, not natural flavors, I can't even think, natural scents or whatever. So they make a lot of stuff, or they might list fragrance, and fragrance can be a broad spectrum of things. Check out refuse20.com. You'll see the effects of these chemicals that are on our bodies. Okay, I'll get off of that. And moving right along, floors. Okay, 3 gallons of water to 4 tablespoons of this to wash your floors. I'm telling you, I am so excited. Can I get a amen or a hallelujah or a holla on this? Because it's absolutely fantastic, and it's powered by Shield. And if you want to add some of your citrus, I love how it smells because it has cinnamon and frankincense in it, clove. So it kind of smells like Christmas, and I love Christmas all year long. Believe it or not, yes, I'm one of those weird ones. But you can add your citrus oils to it too to give it another boost, but you really don't need to. But also add a little different scent to it. Okay, there's some more comments. Vicki worked at Wally World, and they use chemicals in clothes too. Yes, ma'am. Girl used to break out. All of us had bad allergies working there. Yeah, I get that, Vicki. That's why I wash all of my clothes before I put them on at home. And I knew you meant Walmart. Okay, I can't wait to get to the new products. Penny, yes, and make sure you put your order in a party link so that you can get host benefits too. I love being an advisor because you can get host benefits, you can get free products, you can get half price items, and you get paid on it. So that's awesome. Good morning, Jessica. I haven't seen you in a long time. Thanks for joining us. So I just wanted to let you guys know I'm so excited about this. I'm still going to use those other oils because I use them when we feel like we're getting sick, if there's a bug going around for extra protection. I use all of those oils for different things. So it's not like I'm going to replace them, but I'm replacing all of my chemicals in my home. Let me share with you one more thing, 2 more things. They are actually new to the catalog as well, August 1st. Oh, by the way, as a hostess, you can get this cleaner for free or half price. And in August, we have an awesome host plan for you guys to try out. It's new and improved. I'm going to show you 2 more things that actually hosts can get for free and half price with their host benefits. I have been waiting for this since we started, okay? So for going on 5 years now. We have laundry detergent. I'm going to make a video probably next week, within the next 2 weeks, of demonstrating this awesome laundry detergent. It's a powder. Give me a second. The bag is a zipper bag. It only has five ingredients. I'm going to read the ingredients to you if I can in this light. Okay. It is a powder. Okay, it's safe for top loader, front loader, HE, is it HE? High efficiency washers. It's safe for those. And for a full load, you only need the scoop. There are 70 loads in here, but if you do smaller loads, you can test it with your water, because some people have harder water, softer water, so you could get away with using less. It's odor free. It's a powder. Okay, let me tell you the ingredients. This has no perfumes in it, Vicki, and I can't do perfumes either. It has sodium carbonate, sodium percarbonate, sodium bicarbonate, which is actually non-aluminum baking soda. We've talked about aluminum in deodorants. Aluminum's not good for you, and if you're washing your clothes and wearing it on your body, which you will see that it's in a lot of even laundry detergents, okay? You don't want that sitting on your skin and going into your system. Magnesium sulfate, which is Epsom salt, and sodium chloride, which is Atlantic sea salt, okay? That's it. Did you hear how many chemicals I read? 5 chemicals. They're not even chemicals. They're ingredients. 5 of them. Okay, in this bag. and it whitens your clothes, it brightens your colors, it's safe for colors and whites. It's absolutely fantastic. I am so excited about this, and you can get it for free and half price when you're a host. When you are an advisor, when you do Free Start by Purely, you can get 35% off of this, okay? You can also put it in your own party like Penny's gonna do and get host benefits. Okay, so, and the other thing, okay, how many of you use dryer sheets or fabric softener in your laundry? Do you know that fire stations, firemen highly recommend that you don't use laundry fabric softener or laundry sheets in your laundry washer or in your dryer, because it leaves a coating not only on your clothes, but it leaves a coating on the lint catcher. I don't know if that's the proper term, but it leaves a coating on your lint catcher, and through the hose where it takes the heat outside, that can cause house fires. So I'm so excited about this too. We have 100% pure wool balls, okay? Okay, you guys, this just made me laugh because of our product launch that we did with our team last week. Veronica, when she watches this, her mom was cracking me up. Penny, you were there. Sorry. Okay, so there's 3 of them. $19 for 3 of these. You can add your own essential oil to the laundry detergent. You can add your own essential oil to these if you want to add a little bit more scent to your clothing when you dry them. These dryer balls, okay, you want to save money? These will reduce, I think it's drying time by like 25%. Yeah, you remember, don't you, Penny? Thanks for the laughs. We had fun. Okay, if you want to know what we were talking about, private message me. I am not going to do it on public where this video is going to be shared everywhere. Put a couple drops on each ball, put them in your dryer with your clothes. It's going to reduce drying time by about 25%. That's going to save you on electricity. That's going to save you on your electric bill. Cha-ching! More money in your pocket. I love it. Plus, your clothes are going to be soft, and you're not using chemicals. You're helping your house be safe because you're not putting that plastic coating on your dryer lint catcher thingy and through the hose, and you're not putting chemicals that's going to sit on your body, go into your body, or you're going to breathe. So I just want to warn you, if you like, dryer sheets, fabric softener, laundry detergents all have heavy fragrance. If you're one of those that like heavy fragrance, you're not going to like this, or it's going to take you a little while to get used to. But if you want to be healthy, you want your family to be healthy, it's worth a try, and it's worth a go at it to try this. These dryer balls come in this cute bag. Okay, there's directions on the bag. I love it. It's 100% organic New Zealand wool. Okay, we even have ingredients for our dryer balls. So over the next 2 weeks, I'm going to do a demonstration with the laundry detergent to show you how well it whitens whites, how well it protects your colors. I will do a demonstration so y'all can see that. So if you guys have any questions about the cleaners, the oils that I mentioned, please let me know. I do want to share with you just a couple more things. It's real quick. Some items that I use to help protect my family. They're not necessarily cleaning the house, but they're cleaning your body. I talked about Shield and how important it is to help keep you healthy because it has antiviral, antibacterial, antimicrobial properties. There are kids that have already started back to school or are getting ready to start school. One of my sons is on the football team. He's been doing practice for the last 2 weeks, so he is around kids with extra germs that he's going to bring home. So 2 things that we use at our sinks are the goat's milk bath bar with Shield in it, which is great for moisturizing your skin. I used to keep these at all of our bathroom sinks and our kitchen sink, But then in January, I believe it was, we came out with foaming hand soap. So if you don't like to use a bar, but you like the squirt soap, we have foaming hand soap that the base is aloe vera. This one is grapefruit spice. It has grapefruit in it, so it's an extra detoxifier. It's a happy oil, but it also has the oils from Shield in it. So someone else just got on. Their name didn't pop up, but good morning, good morning. Thanks for joining us. It is Lauren. Oh, Lauren with the beautiful smile. I miss seeing you. Good morning. Anyway, I keep this one at my kitchen sink, and then my husband loves the lavender spice. So we have two flavors, 2 scents that have Shield in it. So check with your advisor about those 2 items as well. The Shield is going to help protect your hands from drying out and also get rid of those germs. I forgot one more thing. See, the new things just aren't put in my head. We have hand sanitizer. Okay, I have not used hand sanitizer in a long time because the smell of it kind of made me feel queasy. I'm sorry about being so visual, but it made me feel queasy, so I stopped using it, and I started making my own with Shield. Well, now we have a purse size. It's about this size, maybe even a little smaller. This size bottle with a flip cap. And it is, I think it's aloe based as well, but I'll have to check the ingredients. Good morning, Veronica. Good morning, Sleepyhead. We have hand sanitizer that actually moisturizes your hands. You can get those for your kids to put in their backpacks or in their lunch boxes so they can wipe their hands off before they eat, after they go to the bathroom. Carry it with you when you go to the grocery store. There's so many uses for our hand sanitizer, but I don't have it to show you. Another thing that my family uses to keep us safe that has Shield in it is our oral care set, okay? Our toothpaste, I want to answer this for me. Does your toothpaste help freshen your breath? Does it whiten your teeth? Does it help build enamel so that your cracks in your teeth or crevices or precavities actually get rebuilt? And does it help to keep you healthy, prevent you from getting sick? If you answered no to any of those questions, listen up. Because if you haven't been to one of my parties, you haven't had a chance to try this without you buying it. Many of us advisors carry these to our parties with new toothbrushes. We have 2 tooth powders, okay? We have a peppermint and we have a cinnamon orange. Let me open the peppermint. This is my own personal jar. Okay, it's made with activated charcoal, and my battery's almost dying, so I need to talk fast. It has food grade bentonite clay, and it has the oils from Shield, so it's going to protect you, okay, from getting sick. I highly recommend getting this because my family, like I said, did not get the flu at all last year, and you know how bad it was. So we use Shield to protect us, to whiten our teeth. My teeth are actually extremely whiter since a year ago. Then we also have mouthwash that you can use for oil pulling to help strengthen, make your gums healthier, and just help you be healthier, better oral health. And then we have a fresh breath spray. It is peppermint flavored. It has Shield in it, so when I had laryngitis, I used this. Like, I went through a whole bottle in like 10 days because I was using it so much to coat my throat, to help numb it, to help me be able to just survive laryngitis. So, but it also can help with, there have been people that have gotten strep throat, and I don't know how long strep throat usually lasts, but they used it and didn't have to go to the doctor to get antibiotics because they caught it right away. I guess they get strep throat often and they know what it feels like coming on. Or if they didn't catch it and they use it, it really helps with relief. This bottle, it's a glass bottle, but I know my boys have these and they take it to school. They don't get in trouble. They're at the age where they have girlfriends, so you know what they're using it for. So that's all I have to show you right now. Just wanted to share those with you. Like I said, please share, continue to comment, invite your friends to see this video.